If you want a simple way to collect purchase orders for your business, Jotform makes the entire process fast, organized, and easy to manage. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to set it up. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Jotform website. Log into your account, and if you do not already have one, creating an account only takes a moment. Once you are inside your dashboard, it is time to build your purchase order form. You can create a form from scratch or choose a ready-made template to speed things up. Templates are great because they already include the essential sections you need for collecting order details. Inside the form builder, add the fields you want customers to fill out. This includes product names, quantities, prices, contact details, and shipping information. Clear and complete fields help make the order process smooth for both you and your customers. Next, open the Add Form Element menu and select the Payments tab. Here choose the Purchase Order option. This lets you collect full order details without taking payment immediately. It is perfect for businesses that handle payment separately through bank transfers, checks, or manual invoice. If your workflow requires it, you can enable automatic invoices directly inside Jotform. This provides clean documentation for both you and your clients and keeps everything organized in one place. You can also integrate your form with other apps and systems to streamline your process even further. Once the form looks exactly how you want it, go ahead and click Publish. Jotform will give you a shareable link or an embed code that you can send to customers or place on your website, and that is all it takes. With just a few quick steps, you can start collecting purchase orders professionally and efficiently using Jotform. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful guides.